Welcome to the world of no refrigeration. Picture this, you're in the wilderness or maybe the power's out, and there's no fridge in sight. First things first, you might want to grab a cooler and fill it with ice. But wait, no ice? No problem. Nature's got you covered. Stash your food in cool, dark places like the root cellar your grandpa used to rave about. Next up, let's not forget about the art of food preservation. Dehydrating, canning, or smoking, it's time to channel your inner pioneer. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but a dehydrated apple lasts way longer. You've got leftovers? Keep them simmering on the stove. It's like a never-ending soup. It's the meal that keeps on giving. Now imagine this, a fridge that doesn't need electricity. Meet the evaporative cooler fridge. It's like a magic trick, but for food storage. Then there's the Zeer pot, an ancient refrigerator, is a very economical way of having some form of refrigeration without electricity. And finally, let's be real, those expiration dates? They're more like suggestions. Trust your nose, it knows. So who needs a fridge? Not you. Comment below what are your options of surviving without a fridge.